Hello, friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine today. Now we will discuss about how to earn money online in swagbucks. Don't wasting his time. Let's start my video. How to make money online on swagbucks on your first $50. If you are a new on swagbucks member or just thinking about joining this reward sites, you need to ready the circle now. This circle outline is a earning of the outside of earning swagbucks rewards. While it's easy to earn money on swagbucks online rewards programming, something getting started can be a bit tricky. There are so many ways to earn, and so many means to the selections of the website and apps you might to know there are. Get started. In this article you are give to the step by step guide or how to sign up for swagbucks and earn your first $50. You will also go to ever some common fact about how to make money online with swagbucks. If you want to cut straight that a chosen thought, scroll down to the button of the section on the how to you earn on first $50 on swagbucks. Does swagbucks give you real money? That's a question of my many subscribers. Yes, the swagbucks give me a very benefit and a very good money on my bank account. So don't forget the press bell icon and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you so much.